Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty in Roblox. While Call of Duty itself isn't directly on the platform, Roblox hosts a fantastic array of first-person shooter games that capture a similar intense combat experience. To begin, navigate to the Roblox game library and use the search bar. Try keywords like FPS, military, or shooter to discover a wide selection of titles. Focus on games with high player counts and positive reviews to ensure a high-quality and engaging experience. Once you've found a game, popular choices like Phantom Forces or Arsenal offer fast-paced, competitive action. Understanding the basic controls is your next step. You'll use the WASD keys for movement, and your mouse will control aiming and looking around. Remember to press the spacebar to jump over obstacles or reach higher ground. For tactical maneuvers, like taking cover or reducing your profile, simply press the C key to crouch. These fundamental controls will get you started quickly. To truly excel, focus on mastering core gameplay mechanics. Practice aiming down your sights for improved accuracy, as many games simulate weapon recoil. Always utilize cover effectively. This means using environmental objects to shield yourself from enemy fire while planning your next move. Teamwork is also crucial. Communicate with your squad, support your teammates, and work together to achieve objectives. A coordinated team of 4 or 5 players often outperforms individual efforts, leading to more victories. Many of these Roblox FPS games offer extensive customization and progression systems. You can personalize your character's appearance and tailor your weapon loadouts to suit your preferred playstyle. As you play, you'll typically earn in-game currency or experience points. Use these to unlock new weapons, attachments, and abilities, enhancing your combat effectiveness. Experiment with different scopes, grips, and magazines to find the perfect combination that gives you an edge in every firefight.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.